Hi, I'm Chef Ann Mooney, also the regular food columnist for Simply the Best magazine out of Delray Beach, Florida. And I'm here today on behalf of ExpertVillage. And today we're going to talk about how to make crepe batter. It's the easiest thing in the whole world, and once you see how easy it is, you'll want to have crepes on hand all the time. Now, I've measured out a cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, which have been melted, a cup of milk, and 2 eggs. They're large-sized eggs. And what we're going to do is combine all of this stuff in the food processor, and we're going to process it for about 30 seconds, and you will have crepe batter, just like that. So we put in the flour. Then the milk. Actually, you can do this in any order you want to. Eggs, 2 eggs, and 2 tablespoons of butter. And voila, crepe batter. Now, this is the recipe for savory crepes, and these crepes you would use for some appetizers, any kind of entree crepe, or most of the breakfast crepes too. But if you wanted a sweet crepe to use for dessert or a sweet breakfast, all you need to do is add an additional 2 tablespoons of sugar and a little vanilla extract, about a teaspoonful, or a teaspoonful of rum or brandy or any kind of liqueur that might go with whatever filling you're fixing. And now we have batter for sweet crepes.